Now, the whole point that makes E Tūwhānau different to Western models of addressing violence is that the focus, we're very clear we're there to eliminate all forms of violence, but the focus isn't saying to people, stop hitting people. It's to say, so what are you going to do in your whānau? What are you going to do in your community to make people safe, to make them strong, to support them at times of need, to help them to grow and be proud of their cultural identity? Because one of the things that's really interesting that came up a lot on Wednesday were Māori talking about how important it is to reclaim who we are as Māori, to be proud about that. And for many communities, migrant communities, they've been colonised as well. So their identity has been disrupted and diminished in many ways. So it's how do we reclaim that, become strong in who we are, but also look at how we become and contribute to a New Zealand where we all belong, where we all have values in common, and where we support each other on the way through.